Hey dear aspiring content creator, are you tired of using complicated video editing software? Well, come closer, because in this video I'm going to be showing you how to edit like a pro using just your smartphone and CapCut app. So let's dive in and get started. This video tutorial is divided into 5 sections, and make sure you don't miss the 4th section of this video because it's very important. First thing first, we have to download and install the CapCut app in our mobile phone.
As you can see, I already have CapCut on my phone. That's why it's showing me open here. So once you are done downloading the app, they are showing me update, but I'm not going to update it because of this video. So let's head over to CapCut app. So click on this new project here. Then we are going to select the video we want to use. Guys, you're going to select the video you want to edit, you understand? So I'm selecting this video. I've selected my video. I'm going to click on add. Next thing to do is to select the aspect ratio and frame rate for the video. So to select the aspect ratio, you're going to click on this aspect ratio here, this one. So this is a YouTube video. We're going to be using this 16:9. Click on it, click on the check mark. After selecting your aspect ratio, you can import file into our project. You can import videos, image and music from your device gallery. So let's try and add music. To add music, we're going to tap on this audio here, then click on sound, then head over to this place. They said extracted. This if you want to extract from videos from device, that is if you're selecting from your phone. So I have a song here already, so I'll just click on this plus here. You could decide to reduce the volume, you get.
Alright,
So we are done with that. Once we are done with importing our music, we'll go into the next section, which is basic editing tools. Now that we have our media file imported, let's start editing. First, let's talk about the timeline. As you can see, this is the timeline. This is where you could add other videos. This is where you will arrange your clips and add transitions, you get. Next, let's explore the editing tool CapCut offers. A range of tools including trim, split and merge. Let's try trimming a clip. So to trim this clip right now, we'll go to the end. This is where this video ends. You tap on it. As you can see, there's this board line here. You can choose to adjust it back or increase it, you get. Then talking about the split, once you get, let's say you want to split this video here.
Alright.
Okay, let's say you want to split it here. Just click on the video. By this side down, I'm sure you're seeing split. Click on it. As you can see, we just splitted this video. Then you could choose to delete this first part, you get. Then let's move to section 3, advanced editing tool. Now that we have covered the basic editing, let's dive into some more advanced editing tool. First, let's talk about the transition. For the transition, we are going to click on this in between. As you can see, CapCut offers a range of transition including fade, dissolve and slide. So let's look into it. This is dissolve. This is fade. Talking about the slide, we just head over to camera here. This is the slide. Next, let's explore the adjustment tool. CapCut allows you to adjust the brightness, contrast and saturation of your clip. So what you're going to do right now is to click on this adjust here. Let's try adjusting the color of a clip. Simply select the clip, is it, tap on this adjust right here, this adjust, then adjust the settings to your liking, just the way I'm doing right now. First of all, I increase the brightness of my video, increase the contrast a bit, increase the saturation. Most times I take back my brilliance, but for this video I think I'll increase it a bit. the sharpness, clarity, I always leave it at 15. Then my graph, I take down this white a bit, that's all. Then highlights, I bring down my highlight. Shadow, I increase it a bit. Temperature, I reduce it a bit. That's all for the adjustments. We just head over to filter, then choose the one you prefer. I prefer this Bad Bunny, and I think that's all for the adjustment.
Today we're going to be briefly talking.
So let's move to section 4, adding music and sound effects. Music and sound effects can really make your video stand out. Let's add some sound effects music to our project. Just the way we added that first sound to the video, we click on the audio, click on sound, then you select what you want to add. Let's say I select this one now. We already have music on our timeline, so I'll just delete it. So let's add sound effect to this transition here, you get. So what I'll do is tap on sound FX. There's a whoosh here already. I wanted to search for it, but since it's here already, you click on it, click on the plus. As you can see, just watch.
Alright, people, how you all doing?
You get, notice the transition, right?
All doing.
It added more feelings to the video, you understand? Then it was just a mere transition.
How you all doing? So,
but with this sound effect to it, look
you all
at it.
doing.
Finally, let's talk about exporting and sharing of our video. CapCut allows you to export your video in range formats, including MP4, AVI, and GIF. Once you have exported your video, you can share it on social media or YouTube or any other platform you like. If you're able to learn something from this video, do well to like this video, share, and subscribe to this channel.